iGrow is a proprietary low-level light therapy (LLT) technology that utilizes a highly effective combination of red laser and LED light diodes to stimulate and energize cellular activity. This causes an increase in the natural function of the hair follicle. This process treats hair thinning and loss by effectively growing new healthy hair that is thicker and fuller. Most see results in 4 to 6 months. This hair loss product is clinically proven, safe and effective. The iGrow is a revolutionary in-home hair growth system that provides full scalp coverage. This low-level laser therapy (LLT) system can deliver significant hair growth for men suffering from androgenetic alopecia, genetic-based hair thinning loss. The iGrow is an in-home hair growth system that has been FDA 510 cleared and is indicated to promote hair growth in both men and women. In 2 separate published peer-reviewed clinical studies, iGrow increased hair counts in just 16 weeks. The increase was by 35% in men and 37% in women. The iGrow features 4 adjustable fit columns with rotating weight distribution to provide the user optimum comfort during treatment. The device is equipped with headphones and can be connected to an iPod MP3. The headphones can extend and retract to custom fit any head size. Easy to use, portable, convenient and private in-home hair growth system that provides full scalp coverage. What one customer said about iGrow: "This product has been a real lifesaver for me. It works just as advertised. I had some other friends purchase it about a year ago and waited to see their results before buying. I will admit, I was skeptical. After seeing fabulous results on my friends, I decided to buy one for myself. My results have been great, and I am very pleased thus far. I am now seeing less hair in the sink and tub and a noticeable difference on my head. 25 minutes every other day out of my life is not that difficult. I just use it while watching TV or sending emails." Amazon is the only Appearascience seller that offers this proven device with a 6-month money-back satisfaction guarantee and includes 1-year manufacturer's warranty. Low-level light therapy (LLT) is a highly effective hair growth treatment process. Low-level light therapy increases cellular activity and promotes the proliferation of full, thick, and healthy hair.